Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very important topic for anyone learning English. What do you do every day? This is a question you will hear a lot in conversations. Talking about your daily routine is a fantastic way to practice your English. It helps you use basic verbs, time expressions, and common vocabulary. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to describe our daily activities from morning to night. By the end, you'll be able to talk about your day with confidence. Let's get started. Let's begin with the morning. The morning is when our day starts. What's the first thing you do? For most people, the first action is to wake up. When your alarm clock rings, you open your eyes, you wake up. For example, you can say, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. After you wake up, you get up. This means you get out of bed, so, I wake up, and then I get up. After getting up, many people go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, you might wash your face. Wash my face. I wash my face with cold water to feel awake. Then, you brush your teeth. Brush my teeth. It's very important to brush your teeth in the morning and at night. I use toothpaste to brush my teeth. Some people also take a shower. Take a shower. You can say, I take a shower every morning. Or, maybe you prefer to take a bath. Take a bath. Once you are clean and fresh, it's time to get dressed. Get dressed. This means putting on your clothes. For example, I get dressed for work or I get dressed for school. If you have long hair, you might comb your hair or brush your hair. Comb my hair, brush my hair now. What about the most important meal of the day? Breakfast. We have breakfast in the morning. Have breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast? You can say, I have toast and coffee for breakfast, or I eat cereal with milk. Maybe you make breakfast for your family. Make breakfast. I make breakfast for my children every morning. After breakfast, you might drink a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Drink coffee, drink tea. So, let's review the morning routine vocabulary. Wake up, get up, wash my face, brush my teeth. Take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast. These are all very common phrases. Try saying them out loud. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Then, I get up and brush my teeth. After that, I have breakfast. Great job. Now, let's move on to the afternoon. After the morning activities, most people go to work or go to school. Go to work, go to school. How do you get there? You can take the bus, take the train, or drive your car. For example, I take the bus to work. My brother drives his car to school. Or maybe you live close and you can walk. I walk to the office. At work or school, you have a set of different routines. You might start work at 9 a.m., start work. Or, my classes start at 8:30 a.m. During the day, you attend meetings, you write emails, or you study different subjects. Attend meetings, write emails, study English. For example, I have a meeting with my team at 10 a.m. I need to write an important email to a client. I study English and math at school around noon. It's time for lunch. We have lunch in the middle of the day. Have lunch. Where do you have lunch? You might eat at the company cafeteria or go to a restaurant. Eat at the cafeteria. Go to a restaurant. Or maybe you bring your own lunch from home. I usually bring a sandwich for lunch. You can say, I have lunch with my colleagues. Or, I eat lunch with my friends at school. Lunch break is usually about an hour. After lunch, you go back to work or back to your classes. Go back to work. Work or school usually finish in the late afternoon. You finish work or finish school. Finish work. Finish school. For example, I finish work at 5 p.m. School finish at 3 p.m. After you finish, you go home. Go home. Again, you can take the bus, drive, or walk. I take the train to go home. So, for the afternoon routine, we have these key phrases. Go to work. Go to school, start work, have lunch, finish work, go home. These phrases help you describe a large part of your day. Practice them. For example, I go to work by car. I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. I finish work and go home. You are doing wonderfully. Now, let's talk about the evening. What happens after you get home? The evening is the time to relax and spend time with family. When you arrive home, you might want to change your clothes. You can change into more comfortable clothes. Then, you might do some things around the house. Some people do chores. This can include things like clean the house or do the laundry. Clean the house, do the laundry. A very important part of the evening is dinner. Dinner is the last big meal of the day. We have dinner in the evening. Have dinner. Many people cook dinner at home. Cook dinner. For example, I cook dinner for my family. What do you have for dinner? I have rice and vegetables for dinner. We have dinner together as a family. Have dinner together. This is a great time to talk about your day. You can ask your family, how was your day? After dinner, you have some free time. What do you do in your free time? You might watch TV, or maybe you watch movies or shows on Netflix. Watch Netflix. Some people like to read a book. I like to read a book before I go to sleep. You might listen to music. Or, you could do some exercise. Do exercise. For example, I go for a walk in the evening, or I go to the gym. You might also use this time to study English. You can review your lessons or watch videos like this one. It's a great way to improve. If you have children, you might help them with their homework. Help with homework. As it gets later, it's time to get ready for bed. Get ready for bed. This routine is similar to the morning. You might brush your teeth again. Brush my teeth. You might change into your pajamas. Change into pajamas. Finally, you go to bed, and then you go to sleep. For example, I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. I go to sleep very quickly. So, let's review the evening phrases. Arrive home, cook dinner. Have dinner, watch TV, read a book, listen to music. Go to bed, go to sleep. These phrases complete our day. Try making sentences with them. I arrive home at 6 p.m. I watch TV after dinner. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Great work, everyone. We have covered a full day, from waking up in the morning to going to sleep at night. Let's do a quick summary of all the key vocabulary we learned. For the morning, wake up, get up, wash your face, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast. For the afternoon, go to work, go to school, start work, have lunch, finish work, go home. For the evening, arrive home, cook dinner, have dinner, watch TV, read a book, do exercise, go to bed, go to sleep. Remember, practice is key. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they will become. Try to think about your own day and describe it using this vocabulary. You can even write it down. Now, it's your turn to practice. I have a challenge for you. In the comments section below this video, I want you to write about your daily routine. You don't have to write the whole day, just a few sentences. For example, you can write, I wake up at 7:30 a.m. I have coffee for breakfast. I go to work by bus. It is a fantastic way to practice, and I will read as many of your comments as I can. It's also interesting to see the different routines people have all over the world. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Learning to talk about your daily routine is a big step in becoming more fluent in English. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.